So today in this video we're going to be installing the DRC Edge 2 taillight and the turn signals. They're going to be LED and they're going to have a smoked lens color. This is the bracket for the taillight and the turn signals, and so my correct size of license plate will fit. I got a little connector kit so it'll go into my stock harness easier. These are the turn signals in smoke 602, I believe, with the rubber mount. This is the fixed rate turn signal flasher. It'll keep my signals blinking at normal speed. This is so my turn signals will be running lights. So here are the three plugs. This big one is your tail light. This black one is your right turn signal. And that gray one is the left turn signal. I'm gonna take the time to get all this dirt off. I'm gonna clean it up real good. So this is what I'm going to use. I threw away the fuse that came with the running light kit and I got this one. Some little connectors and heat shrink. So here it is all put together. The running light kit came with little connectors to go onto the harness for my light. Just crimped them on, plugged them in, it's good. So the left turn signal, same as the bike. The right turn signal, same as the bike. Again, the running light kit came with these connectors to go onto my turn signal wires. So the fuse I put in. And this kit I did use for the brake light, but I got a couple extra pieces and I think they'll work in the front. You'll see that in another video. Here's the harness installed. Ran the wires from the taillight through the holes on the fender here. I'm not sure how this little guy ended up on top. That's the way she goes. Everything else is tucked in pretty good. So here's the final product, the DRC Edge 2 tail light with the running lights and the 602 turn signals. I'm yet to install the fixed rate turn signal flasher. It goes behind the headlight, so you'll see that in my next video when I put on the front signals. I'm also going to do a video on the headlight itself.